Your team may forget. Our AI won't follow up keeps everyone on track.
This tutorial explains how to set your time zone in the Trueaiwork application. You will learn to adjust working hours and save your time zone preferences effectively. Click the Time Zone option to open the time zone configuration settings. Click the Start Time field to begin setting your workday start time. Click the Start Time field again to confirm or modify the selected start time. Click the End Time field to set your workday end time. Click the End Time field again to confirm or modify the selected end time. Click the Working Days option to select the days you will be working. Click Save Working Hours to apply and save your time zone and working hours settings. You have successfully configured your time zone and working hours in Trueaiwork. Your preferences are now saved, ensuring accurate scheduling and time tracking.